explain what this is?
This is one of the stops on our Grand Tour of Texas thing that we're doing.
And how many are there?
I think there's 50 with a few extra for extra points. But if you get 25, you get a patch. If you get 50, I think there's some money involved there. But
How many have you done?
At least 25 is a patch.
How many have you done?
I think we're up to about 11 or 12 right now. We got that sometime in October.
Okay. You say to hi to all the 6 followers of the Bogey Biker?
Do you want to know?
All right, we survived stop number 1.
You know what is this?
Tell all 6 of my followers what this is.
All 6. All 6 of us?
Where the hell did you get 5 followers all of a sudden?
What
This is
it?
a humble gas station in Lampasas. They restored it, and it's just another cool place to stop and check. And on the list of our tour,
This is your Grand Tour of Texas.
Does everybody have bikes? Just regular pedal bicycles?
Yeah.
Alright.
Getting towards the ground beneath your window. You hear that sound?